Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these rainbow ombre nails. So for this look, I used colors from the Mia's Secret Fruity collection. I've already applied my forms and now I'm going in with the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And the No Lift Nails Primer. So I'm going to start by using some of the LongHairPrettyNails clear acrylic, and I'm just going to apply this to my natural nails just to help with staining from the colored acrylics that I'll be using. Alright, so now I'm starting off with that orange color, and I am just going to form the tip with this. And slightly overlapping it onto my natural nail. Now since these are colored acrylics, they're not really strength powders, so I am trying to work really thin just to form the tip, because I will be capping these nails with clear at the end. Alright, so then I go in with a second bead of orange just above the first bead where I started. Alright, so once I've applied the orange, I'm just going to go in with a bead of the pink and apply that around the cuticle area, and then kind of brush that downward to create the ombre look. And the ombre blend doesn't have to be too perfect because we will be going over this with glitter. So I just repeat the same thing for all of the nails, just alternating colors. So for my ring finger, I'll just be doing a green and orange ombre. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using my number 8 Alpha Kolinsky brush for this look. And for my ring fingernail, I forgot to put down my base of clear, but you know, oh well. So for my middle finger, I'm just going to go in with an ombre of yellow and green. Alright, so I just want to say that I am so excited that we finally hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Oh my god, that is just so crazy to say. Like, I cannot believe how fast it happened. I am planning to do a little giveaway as a thank you to you guys, because oh my god, I just cannot believe it. Like, it is amazing how fast this channel has grown, like, for years. I've been on YouTube since like 2007, and you know, I uploaded here and there, but I wasn't really like doing anything much. But since I've really started being serious, I just felt like my channel was stagnant and wasn't really growing, and just like out of nowhere, it's just wow, I'm just blown away. So I do want to just thank each and every one of you. You guys are freaking awesome. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I'll be having details on a 100,000 subscriber giveaway pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. All right, so for my index fingernail, I'm doing a pink and yellow ombre. All right, so once all of the ombre colors are set, I'm just going to re-wet the nail with some monomer and then apply a tiny bit of clear. And now I'm packing on angel glitter, and this is available on my website. I'll leave the link down below. And I just love this angel glitter because it looks amazing on like any color background. And as you can see, it does kind of camouflage the not so perfect ombres here and there. So to pick up the glitter, I'm just picking up a tiny bead of clear and dipping that into the glitter, and that is how I'm placing it onto the nail. Okay, so once all the glitter has dried, I am just going to encapsulate all the nails using the clear acrylic. And you just want to make sure that this layer is thin, but you do, kind of build up the nail as well. So yeah, I'm working really thin because I don't want these nails to be chunky, and I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of shaping and filing. So just be mindful of that. And for my index finger here, I just realized while I was capping the nail that I didn't get close enough to the cuticle area with the yellow. So I went ahead and fixed that off camera. Alright, so this is how the nails look after all of the acrylic is set, and this is the color I used on my thumb. So I have questions about how I take off the nail forms, and basically what I do is just pinch the nail form on the sides and then pull it down and release it from the nail, and then I just take it off my finger. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with my shaping and filing. And this is how the nails look after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And this is just my favorite part. I just love how the nails come to life. Oh, I was so happy once I put the top coat on because they are just so beautiful. Alright, so before I cured, I went in with some iridescent crystals, and these are available on my website. Link will be down below. So I just applied these around the cuticle areas of each nail just to give it a little more bling. And I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now I'm applying cuticle oil, and I'm going in with this rose oil. If you watch my previous video, my vlog, you'll see that I bought this recently, and I really like how it feels around my cuticle area and my nails. So I think I want to start using essential oils as cuticle oil. So this is the finished look, and I just really love how these came out. They are so beautiful. The colors just pop. It just, oh my god, these are just summer nails right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.